Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, if someone were to ask you, what month are we in? You might say September, but what if someone told you, what is the Islamic month that you're in? It is a good possibility you might not know, and it's something as Muslims you have to rectify. We are now in the month of Saffar. That's the second month of the Hijri calendar. And the month that we just passed, Muharram, was a sacred month. And we have 4 sacred months in the year. We have Ramadan, we have blessed days scattered throughout the year, and as Muslims we should know when it is and what's so special about the month of Saffar. This is not a month where a particular ibadah is legislated, so we don't have a day like Ashura in it or Arafah. But the Prophet ﷺ did mention this month that Saffar was a month that the Arabs, they saw it as bad luck, and among the things that Islam came to eradicate is the superstition of something giving you bad luck. What is a significant event that happened this month? The Prophet ﷺ made his hijrah from Mecca to Medina, this amazing journey with Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu towards the end of the month of Saffar. So now you've learned that Saffar is the second month of the Islamic calendar. You learned that the Arabs were superstitious about it and the Prophet eradicated that, and also that the hijrah of the Prophet happened in this month. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.